Let me ask you something. What if the secret to building stronger muscles, better balance, and a pain-free body had nothing to do with the gym? Not the weights, not the sweat, not even the movement. Sounds hard to believe, right? That's because almost no one has ever been told this simple truth. Your body can grow stronger without moving a single muscle. It's called isometric training. And while it may look calm and simple, what happens beneath the surface is extraordinary. These exercises wake up your deep stabilizer muscles, the ones that keep you standing tall, balanced, and injury-free. They're the quiet protectors behind every confident step and every pain-free morning. For adults over 50, isometrics are a total game changer. They're low impact, joint-friendly, and can be done anywhere. No gym required, but only if you do them right. Today, I'll walk you through 5 powerful isometric exercises designed to not just preserve your strength, but elevate it. And the last one, number 5, might surprise you. It's simple, but it could become your body's greatest ally. Exercise 1. The bird dog hold. Building power from stillness. Here's a truth few people hear after 50. You don't need motion to gain strength. You need control. The bird dog hold looks easy. One arm forward, the opposite leg back. But beneath that calm exterior, it activates some of the most underused muscles in your body. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, in just a few minutes a day. Unlike flashy workouts that target big muscles like the biceps or abs, the bird dog strengthens your foundation, the stabilizer muscles that protect your spine and help you move confidently. It trains your multifidus, tiny spinal muscles that support your back, transverse abdominis, your natural corset, gluteus medius, for hip and knee, stability, and shoulder stabilizers for posture and balance. When you hold this position, you're not just training your body. You're retraining your brain. You're activating your proprioception system, your body's built-in GPS that senses balance and position. This system fades as we age, but the bird dog brings it back to life. How to do it? 1. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. 2. Tighten your core by gently drawing your belly button toward your spine. 3. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back. 4. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, keeping your hips level. 5. Switch sides and repeat 3 times. Pro tip: place a small book on your lower back. If it doesn't fall, your form is perfect. In just a few weeks, you'll notice better posture, sharper balance, and a stronger, more stable core. Studies even show that isometric holds like the bird dog improve brain-to-muscle connection, meaning you move smarter, not just stronger. Duck exercise. 2. Warrior pose. Strength meets stillness. There's a reason this one is called the warrior pose. It's not about speed or aggression. It's about control, presence, and power that deepens with age. Holding this pose is a full-body isometric challenge that builds stability, mobility, and mental focus, the foundation of graceful aging. Most people think yoga is all about flexibility, but the warrior pose, Virabhadrasana 2, is pure strength. It engages your legs, hips, core, arms, and even your concentration. When you hold it, no movement, no flow, it becomes an incredible endurance builder and posture corrector. How to do it? 1. Stand tall and step your right foot forward, left foot back about 3 to 4 feet. 2. Bend your front knee so it's above your ankle. 3. Keep your back leg straight and strong. 4. Raise both arms to shoulder height, palms facing down. 5. Gaze softly over your front hand and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. 6. Switch sides and repeat twice per side. Form tip: press your front heel into the ground while pulling your back foot toward you. You'll feel your thighs and glutes activate deeply. Benefits: stronger legs and better knee control. Improved hip flexibility and posture. Enhanced focus and calm under tension. Boosted balance and confidence. Clinical yoga studies show that warrior pose helps reduce knee pain and improve stability in older adults. It's not just an exercise, it's functional medicine in motion. Exercise 3. Superman hold. Own your posture. Let's talk about your back, the area most people ignore until it starts to hurt. Your posterior chain, the muscles along your back, controls posture, movement, and strength. As we age, these muscles weaken, especially if we sit often. The Superman hold reverses that damage. It activates your spinal extensors, glutes, hamstrings, and shoulders, restoring balance and alignment. How to do it? 1. Lie face down on a soft surface. 2. Extend your arms forward like you're flying. 3. Lift your arms, chest, and legs slightly off the ground. 4. Squeeze your glutes and lower back. 5. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds, then rest. 6. Repeat 3 times. Can't lift everything at once? Start with just arms or legs. You'll still build strength safely. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice better posture, less stiffness, and more energy while standing or walking. Even studies confirm that isometric back exercises like this can reduce chronic pain as effectively as medication, without side effects. Exercise 4. Wall isometric squat. Strength that stands its ground. No weights, no machines, just you and a wall. The wall squat hold is one of the safest and most efficient ways to build leg and core strength after 50. It strengthens your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves while protecting your knees and spine. How to do it? 1. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet about 2 feet forward. 2. Slide down slowly until your thighs are parallel to the floor. 3. Keep your knees stacked above your ankles, not past your toes. 4. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds, breathing steadily. 5. Stand back up, rest, and repeat 2 or 3 times. If parallel is too difficult, start higher. Even a small bend builds strength. Benefits: stronger, steadier legs, better balance and endurance, safer joints and improved alignment, confidence in daily movement. Remember, strength isn't about how fast you move. It's about how long you can stay steady under pressure. Exercise 5. Side plank with arm raise. Core stability at its finest. This final move is the crown jewel of core control. The isometric side plank with arm raise builds balance, coordination, and deep stability, without straining your neck or lower back. It strengthens the obliques, transverse abdominis, glutes, shoulders, and lower back muscles, all at once. How to do it? 1. Lie on your side with legs straight, elbow under shoulder. 2. Engage your core and lift your hips so your body forms a straight line. 3. Raise your top arm toward the ceiling, forming a T-shape. 4. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. 5. Do 2 or 3 rounds on each side. Beginners can keep the bottom knee on the floor for support. You'll still get amazing results. Benefits: stronger core and spinal stability, better balance and fall prevention, improved posture and alignment, reduced back pain and enhanced mobility. Research even shows that side planks can help ease scoliosis symptoms and chronic lower back pain, all by rebuilding your body's deep stabilizers. Final thoughts: the power of stillness. These 5 exercises aren't flashy. They don't require equipment or noise. But each one is a quiet act of strength, training your body to move with control, balance, and confidence again. After 50, fitness isn't about pushing limits. It's about protecting independence, reducing pain, and feeling strong from the inside out. Together, these movements form a complete foundation of core strength, posture, and stability. You can do all 5 in under 15 minutes a day, anytime, anywhere. No gym, no rush. Just you and your body working in harmony. Start small, stay consistent. Because getting older is inevitable, but staying strong is a choice. Choose balance. Choose control. Choose strength you can feel at any age. You're not slowing down. You're just training smarter.